Hi, and welcome to another fabulous getaway with Life Escapes with Jay, where I, Jagrati, take small trips here, there, and everywhere to escape the reality of life. So, this time we are hitting the road towards the majestic land of Rajasthan, because why not add a little bit of royalty to your staycation? Well, I know this is not the best weather to be there, but ये गर्मी मुझे नहीं रोक सकती दुनिया वालों.
Besides, we've got a plan that is as stylish as it is adventurous. Picture this, huh? There's this one property, a true gem in my travel diary, where I've been more than 5 times and it never gets old. And cue the drum roll, because finally मुझे उस दूसरी property में भी availability मिल गई जो हमेशा completely booked रहती है.
Today's escape, get ready to indulge in not one but 2 fabulous properties in just 2 days.
तो चलो फिर साथ मेरे इस छोटे से वीकेंड गेटअवे पर, जहाँ 2 सुंदर प्रॉपर्टीज के साथ साथ आपको कुछ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में बताऊंगी जहाँ जाके और जिसे देख के आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है. आई लव रोड ट्रिप्स. द फीलिंग ऑफ वॉचिंग द रोड्स, ट्रीज पासिंग बाय, स्काई चेंजिंग कलर्स, इट्स द अल्टीमेट सैटिस्फैक्टरी थिंग फॉर मी. आई लव ड्राइविंग टू, but I also have a husband, so I leave him with using the brain while I play great music, eat and feed, and also don't stress about which cut did I miss. We balance it like that. So after driving for around 3.5-4 hours from Delhi, we reached the Royal Ram Bihari Palace. This place is in the kingdom of Alwar in Rajasthan, nestled between the oldest fold mountain range in India, the Aravalis, and overlooking the picture-perfect Silsar Lake. चेकिंग करने के बाद सीधा गई मैं अपने रूम में. आई लव हाउ देयर रूम्स आर सो एस्थेटिकली करेक्ट एंड गिव्स यू दोज पुरानी हवेली वाइब्स. एंड लुक एट दिस व्यू आउटसाइड द रूम. ओ माय गॉड, यहाँ जितनी बार भी आऊँ मन नहीं भरता है. द पूल हियर इज एन इन्फिनिटी पूल विद द मेस्मराइजिंग अरावली व्यू. वाओ, I mean, just look at it. You'll have to pinch yourself to believe this. How I love everything about this property. पूल में चिल करने के बाद हम हुए तैयार. ये पहना मैंने सिंपल सा कुर्ता with baggy jeans and styled it with a lot of junk bangles and rings. And I'm ready to go. Honestly, जब भी इस property में आए हैं, I've never gone out to explore Alwar. But a local person here told us yesterday that there are these 2 places around your property that you do not want to miss. तो मैंने सोचा why not? And चल दिए. The drives here make me so crazy. You can't take your eyes off the road and the scenery around. कुछ 20 minutes drive करने के बाद we reached at this breathtaking Garwaji waterfall. We had to climb around 100 steps to see the perfect view. Also, information के लिए, if you are going to this place, make sure you have no edible things in your hand. क्योंकि यहाँ आपको हर सीढ़ी पे वेलकम करेंगे छोटे मोटे बड़े और बहुत सारी तरह के बंदर. We took a little while, but managed to reach the top. And this happened. इस व्यू को थोड़ा सा सिंक इन किया and we drove another 30 minutes to reach another beautiful place which is called the Jaisamand Lake. I've been to Alwar so many times but haven't explored something like this. Mr. Localite who guided us to come here, if you're watching this video, thank you so much, you made our day. वैसे यहाँ तो इस टाइम गर्मी होनी चाहिए थी, है ना? मेरे उड़ते बाल और ये मौसम देख के आपको क्या लग रहा है? It was raining. Oh my God, somebody up there really loves me a lot. और इतनी सुंदरता देख के जब हम वापस आए तो this was happening. The property hosts musical Qawwali evenings on the weekends. You can bring your own drinks and enjoy the evenings sipping on them under the twinkling stars. They have fixed timings for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And I am a 100% fan of Rajasthani khana. And my taste buds never feel disappointed here. What a day! ये था मेरा day 1 and I absolutely loved it. So abhi ke liye good night. See you tomorrow because tomorrow is another day, another stay.
Hi, good morning and welcome to day number 2. So before we head towards our stay number 2, we are going to the pool and you don't want to miss it. I'll tell you why. So यहाँ तो हमें बहुत मज़ा आया. राम बिहारी has never disappointed us. Now we are very excited because we are going to a property जो हम बहुत टाइम से जाना चाह रहे थे. And finally we got the booking and let's see how that is going to be. तो कल हमें यहाँ एक लोकल ने बोला था कि देर इज़ अ स्मॉल कैफ़े हियर नियर सिलचर लेक जो बहुत सुंदर व्यू के साथ खाना सर्व करता है. तो हम अपना रिजॉर्ट का फुकट का खाना छोड़ के यहाँ आ गए हैं एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज़. लेट्स गो.
I've been low-key obsessed with going to this property for a long time now. It's been on my radar since forever. But जब भी कोशिश करती थी बुक करने की, it was never available. It's been quite a struggle. But guess we lucked out this time. I really hope the hype is real. It's my first time going here, so let us experience this place together. The drive was seriously stunning. Just a quick 2-hour road from Alwar, but man, the views were worth it. Yes, it was not sunny at all, and there's something about it that was oddly refreshing. You know, I loved every minute of this drive. And we are here. Utsav Camp Sariska.
So हम पहुँच गए हैं उत्सव कैंप which is in Sariska and we've heard a lot about this property and we are very excited for how the day is going to go.
Sweets are welcome and headed straight to the room to faint. आप खुद ही देख लो. What do I even say? This is definitely one of the best rooms I've stayed in. I'm going crazy. I can't swim to survive, but I love pools. So the first thing, we're going to the pool. This is brilliant. I mean, this is extremely gorgeous pool with a mesmerizing view. My God, I can spend all my day here. आपने देखा ही होगा, इस वीडियो के शुरुआत से रो रही हूँ कि यहाँ बुकिंग नहीं मिलती. And guess what? आज इस पूरे रिजॉर्ट में सिर्फ हम 2 शेर हैं. So इसीलिए यहाँ के स्टाफ ने हमें कहा कि चलो आपको इवनिंग विल्डरनेस ड्राइव पे ले चलें. Which cost about 10K per couple, but because we are the only ones in the property tonight, it cost us 5K and I am super excited for this drive. ये मैं हो गई तैयार, पर जाने से पहले ये जगह देखो. It's a very interesting concept.
ये जो जगह बनाई है जी बहुत बढ़िया सी. This place is for the guests to have free tea and coffee at any point of the day. You come, you relax, and you ask for a cup of coffee or tea, and you get it. Simple.
Farm to table has always intrigued me as a healthy and fascinating concept. Thanks to Utsav Camp, I finally got to experience it firsthand. Their beautiful space is filled with in-house grown vegetables and fruits. Literally everything you can imagine. All served straight to the table. The staff here was incredibly sweet and helpful. They gave us a tour of this place and they also sent us home with some fresh vegetables as a gift. अब चलो, चलें evening wilderness drive पे? This drive was exquisite. I mean, I'm quite speechless about this forest. It's not really like the ones you see in movies. It's very different. I mean, it's surrounded by buildings and it's deserted and noisy in its own way. I don't know, it's a very different experience. You really need to do it to know it. Also, we spotted 2 leopards along with civet cat, wild hare, nilgai and a few more wild creatures we couldn't capture. Oh my God, I live for stays like these. Came back home from the drive and headed straight to the spa. और यहाँ अकेले होने का थोड़ा सा और फायदा उठाते हुए हमने डिनर मंगवाया रूम में and enjoyed it while watching a series on the laptop. What a day! I love doing these 1 or 2 days staycations every now and then. I feel like it's important. In your regular life, you have to deal with so many highs and lows, people, relationships, friendships, everything. Like everything takes a little bit of you from yourself. So a day away with your own self around nature, it definitely does some healing. I feel it's important कि you feel good so that you can make people around you feel good. सुकून में मजा आता है और ऊपर से प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसी हो तो क्या ही बात है ना? एंड दैट मेक्स इट एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। पसंद आए तो बहुत सारे प्यार के साथ सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करना मत भूलना। ओके, लॉट्स ऑफ लव एंड एडवेंचर योर वे। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, टाटा।